loves, welcome back to my channel. It's TiaLove, and today I'm going to be getting into these hair details with you guys. I'm going to be collabing with my hairstylist Constance and her hair company Chosen. We are just going to show you how I accomplished this amazing look that I got in my hair right now, and we're going to talk a lot about her brand, which is amazing. I know that here in Dallas, if you guys are in Dallas or in Texas, it can be really hard finding hair vendors and hairstylists that are really affordable, that have really great hair. And one thing about my stylist and her hair company is that she has all of those things. She's very reasonable with her prices, and you definitely will love the results that you get, which I absolutely love. Every time I go to Constance, I really just feel very satisfied. Every time she does my hair, I love it. I know I get a lot of people who ask me questions about where do you get your hair done, or who does your hair, where is your hair from, and this video will answer all of those questions for you guys, because you will be getting the inside, like the inside look of how I get my hair done. So I need one of your cards so I can talk more about it. Get into some detail. I did order from her the Indian raw straight hair, I think it is, and I got it in the inches of 28, 26, and 24, and so I got 3 bundles all together. When I received the bundles, it was so cute. You'll guys be able to look at that, but I do want to go ahead and this is her logo, which is so cute, and then on the back it just kind of tells you exactly like what you have. All right, so I'll go ahead and get right into it, which y'all, my hair has been looking so crazy, so I was so excited to finally get my hair done, and she made a miracle happen. She made a miracle happen, so let's get into it.
Hey guys, so I'm installing a Pronto on her. Basically, it's the same thing as a quick weave, but not really. You'll sew the cap on, you'll still do the braids underneath. It's still a protected hairstyle, and you still can use your bundles after you do it. So yeah, just stay tuned.
So she has like she did like the braids, and then what we did was we sewed around the dome of the head.
Yeah, the dome.
And yeah, she sewed around the dome of the head with the cap to protect my hair from the glue. And so now we're just gluing on the bundles. We've actually dyed the bundles blue black as well, because they were like a natural brown.
Pretty.
So now we've dyed it. We haven't straightened them just yet. We've just blow dried them and applied them.
And if you want to get these bundles, follow my hair page at setapartchosen.com on Instagram.
I'll have that. I guess you could sew the hair on as well with the cap.
Yeah, that's how I do my sewing here.
I can really just like take it out really easily. And I have 2 caps to really protect my hair. So I have 2 caps on. The glue doesn't get to my hair at all, which is really good. So I hope you guys liked what you saw, and if you did, you can follow Constance Lincoln on her social media.
What's your Instagram? At Setapart Chosen.
At Setapart_chosen. She does have a website, but it is currently under construction, so all of your requests can be sent via DM to her. All right, and I apologize if I sound sick. It's just that my allergies have been really crazy, and I'm really just like stopped up right now, so just don't even mind that. If you're wanting to get the hair that I have in my head today, you can use my discount code TiaLove10, but you would have to be subscribed to my channel to receive the discount on your next order. Again, my discount code is going to be TiaLove10, and you will just send that with your order, and she would definitely know. And she will hook you up. Okay, if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you are at XOXO TiaLove. And thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye, love.